When an interviewer asks, "What are your strengths?" they are not asking you to list random positive words. They are trying to understand what you are genuinely good at, how that strength helps you perform in the role, and whether you can explain it with confidence. A weak answer sounds like this: "I'm hardworking, reliable, and a team player." Now, those are good qualities, but the answer is too general. Almost anyone can say that. A stronger answer explains the strength, connects it to the job, and gives a small example. For example, "One of my strengths is problem solving. I'm good at staying calm, understanding what is really happening, and working with the right people to find a practical solution." That already sounds stronger because it gives the interviewer something real to imagine. Quick check. Which answer sounds stronger? "I'm good at communication." Or, "One of my strengths is communication," especially explaining technical or complex information in a simple way so different stakeholders can make decisions. The second answer is stronger because it is specific. When you answer this question, avoid trying to sound perfect. The goal is not to say you are amazing at everything. The goal is to show self-awareness. A good answer should make the interviewer think, "Yes, I can see how this person would add value in our team." So before your next interview, choose 2 or 3 strengths that match the job description. Look for words like communication, stakeholder management, leadership, analysis, problem solving, customer service, attention to detail, adaptability, or process improvement. Then ask yourself, where have I actually used this strength? In the next part, I'll show you a simple formula to build a strong answer. Here is a simple formula for answering, "What are your strengths?" Use this structure: strength, proof, and relevance. First, name the strength clearly. Second, give a short example or explain how you use it. Third, connect it back to the role. Let's use problem solving as an example. One of my key strengths is problem solving. I'm good at breaking down issues, identifying the real cause, and working with others to find a practical solution. In previous roles, this has helped me support teams during busy periods, handle urgent issues calmly, and improve day-to-day processes. I believe this strength would help me in this role because the position requires someone who can think clearly and keep things moving. That answer works because it is not just a label, it gives the interviewer proof. Here is another example, using communication. One of my strengths is communication. I'm comfortable speaking with people and explaining information in a way that is clear and practical. Now let's look at a few strengths you can use, depending on the role. For customer service roles, you could say, "One of my strengths is staying calm and professional with customers, even when the situation is difficult. I try to listen carefully, understand the issue, and focus on a solution. This helps create a better experience for the customer and also supports the team." For business, IT, or office roles, you could say, "One of my strengths is understanding problems from both the business and practical delivery side. I like asking the right questions, clarifying what is needed, and helping people move towards a clear outcome." For leadership or team-focused roles, you could say, "One of my strengths is helping teams stay focused and organized. I try to remove confusion, keep communication clear, and support people so they can do their best work." Now, here are 3 mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, giving too many strengths. If you list 5 or 6 strengths, your answer becomes forgettable. Pick 1 or 2 strong ones. Mistake 2, choosing strengths that do not match the job. If the role needs stakeholder management, communication and prioritization may be stronger than saying, "I'm creative." Mistake 3, sounding overconfident. Avoid saying things like, "I'm the best at everything," or "I have no weaknesses." That can sound unrealistic. A strong answer should sound honest, specific, and useful. Now let's review your final checklist for success. First, make sure you choose a real strength. Connect it to the job. Third, always give a short, specific example. Keep it confident, not arrogant. And make sure your answer sounds natural when spoken. Before your next interview, write down 2 strengths and 1 example for each. That simple preparation can make your answer much stronger. For more practical interview answers, subscribe to Interview Smart and keep preparing smarter.